Hello everyone, this is Miss Setio and I'm glad that we can meet virtually in our English class. So, what will be the topic of our discussion today? Well, let's find out. Okay students, please pay attention to the picture here. Well, what do you think is happening to him? Do you think that he's having a problem? Suppose this is your little brother. What would you do to him? Exactly. You're going to give an offer to help him. Our discussion today will be on giving offer. So you're going to learn how to make an offer, how to respond it, whether to accept or to decline. Now, let's go on to the next slide. Let's read the dialogue together. It seems that you have trouble with your homework. Yes, that's right. I cannot finish this math homework. It's too difficult for me. I see. Well, you should study more seriously. Do you want me to help you figure it out? Yes, please. I would appreciate that. Thanks. Well, students, in this dialogue, can you find the expression of giving offer? Yes. The sentence, "Do you want me to help you figure it out?" is the example of the expression of giving offer. And can you also find the response? Exactly. The sentence, "Yes, please. I would appreciate that. Thanks," is the example of the response, which the person is accepting to the offer. Now, we're going to find out what other expressions of giving offer that we will discuss. Let's go on to the next slide. So these are the expressions of giving offer. There are two kinds of giving offer. The first is offering to do something, and the second one is offering something. When you offer to do something, it means that you do an action. But when you offer something, it means that you offer or you give something to other person. Let's see the examples of the expressions of offering to do something. What can I do for you? Can I help you? Would you like me to? Do you want me to? I can, if you'd like. Let me. Shall I? And then the expressions of offering something. Do you want? May I give you? Would you like? Do you like? Okay. Let me give you the example of one situation. Suppose that your friend is feeling thirsty, and then you want to offer to do something. You can say, for example, "Do you want me to take you a glass of water? Would you like me to take you a glass of water?" So it is followed by verb take. Would you like me to take you a glass of water? But when you offer something, it is followed by noun. You don't use verb. For example, when your friend is feeling thirsty, you can just say, "Do you want a glass of water?" Now, let's see the responses of giving offer expressions. When someone gives you an offer, you can make response by accepting or declining it. It depends on the situation. And the ones that we are reading now are the examples of the expression of accepting the offer. They are, "Yes, please." "Yes, of course." "That's very kind of you." "I appreciate that." "That would be marvelous." "Thank you." "Thanks a lot." "Thanks, I'd love to." "Many thanks. That would be very nice." Let me give you one more example. Suppose that your friend forgot to bring money to school so that he cannot buy some food at the canteen. And then you give an offer to him. You can say, "Shall I buy you some food at the canteen?" And then your friend can accept by saying, "That would be very nice. Thank you." Now, let's go on to the expressions of declining the offer. These are the expressions of declining the offer. They are, "That's very kind of you, but I can do it myself. Thanks anyway." "I appreciate that, but you don't have to. Thank you." "That would be marvelous, but I can do it myself. Thanks." "Thank you for your kindness, but there's no need." "Please don't bother yourself. Thank you." Now, let's go on with the examples of the exercises. Okay, students, this is the first exercise. The question is, what is the appropriate offer? "I need to study for the exam, but you play the music too loud. It is really distracting my concentration." What will be the offer? A. You can study at your room and close the door. B. Shall I turn the music off? C. Do you want me to accompany you? The most appropriate offer will be B. Shall I turn the music off? Okay, this is the second exercise. What is the appropriate offer? "Hey, why are you standing over there? Something wrong?" "I woke up late and I missed the bus. I have an English test in the morning." "I'm sorry to hear that." "That would be lovely, thank you." So what will be the most appropriate offer for this dialogue? A. Why don't you order the online vehicle? B. You should wait for the next bus. C. I can drive you to school if you'd like. And the answer is C. I can drive you to school if you'd like. Okay, this is one more exercise to go. What is the appropriate offer? Where are you going? You have lots of things there. I'm going out of town for a week, and I need to bring all of this stuff all the way. It seems that you need help. Well, you don't have to. I can manage. Thanks anyway. And what would be the most appropriate offer for this dialogue? A. Do you want me to carry those bags? B. You should not bring too much stuff. C. Why don't you call the taxi? The appropriate offer for this dialogue is A. Do you want me to carry those bags? This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.